So I realised that if I filmed him at night, I won't get a reflection of the sun. And there's the big paddy. Well, they really are big tadpoles. They're huge. And I'm pretty sure about this. I'm pretty sure what breed of frog this is, but I'm going to double check. But the amazing thing about them is I think these frogs are, as I said before, stay where they are, where they're born or when they grow up as taddies. So that's why it's really important that I've got a place for these frogs, because they're going to live there all their life, which is just stunning to me, which is very beautiful as well. There's two fellows here that seem to be just going so well. I can't see any more. I only put a couple in here. Whoops. But as you can see, they're going really well, and I'm very pleased. I couldn't be more pleased. I might even take some of the other ones out of the other place and put them in here, because this seems to have been very successful, this little spot. There's lots of food and leaf litter. And these boys are going very well, as you can see.